Good evening, friends. This is Kat with Keep Your Twin Up, and today I wanted to show you how the Pampered Chef cooking blender cleans itself. It was kind of scary. I did it earlier just to test it out. Oh my gosh, it was so loud. It scared me at first. So let's see, I turn on here. Don't mind the noise in the background. My kids and the dogs are all playing outside. So this is like a boil over guard you use in high altitude. I'm gonna use it just in case. So you take your lid off, you fill it to the 3-cup water line and put in a few drops of dish soap. And so you can see here, the smart thing, like, it knows when your lid is sealed and stuff. So let's see, close it. Ta-da! Okay, so you turn this knob here until the heated wash setting lights up. And there we go. So I'm gonna put this on here in place of my lid and hit start. So kind of like the quick cooker, it like will heat up. So as you can see, it's getting hotter, showing your temperature there. You can start to hear it. See, it's getting warm in there. Okay, it's getting louder. Just beware, it's about to get really loud. I might turn the volume down in this video, I'm not sure, we'll see. It's getting warmer in there. Definitely warm. And you want to make sure when you do this, it's not too close to the counter edge, because you'll see why. See my dog out there. And the boys playing. I'm so glad they have a space that they can run around outside now while mommy's working in the kitchen. Oh, here it goes. It only takes a couple of minutes. It just keeps doing that. Okay, 5 seconds. And that is how it self-cleans. How hot that water is. And turn it off. There you go. I'm just gonna rinse the inside out, and now it's clean. So yeah, it's all clean. You just gotta make sure you rinse out your lids, all soapy. But look how easy that was. I am so excited to start using this thing. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Stay tuned for videos where I'll show you how to make all kinds of cool stuff with the cooking blender. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe below. Say hi. And bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye.